guys, I have a Chanel haul. It's, you know, it's not huge, but actually there are two things in here, and because of the price points of them, I think that they might be of interest to some of you. What was I going to say beyond the unboxing? Oh yeah, if you saw a vlog that I did a couple of weeks ago where I went and did grocery shopping in Harrods. What am I saying? That wasn't a couple of weeks ago, that was last week. Well, I went into Chanel and I bought 2 items when I was in there. I'd actually gone in there because I was looking for a very specific card holder, which is this one. However, they didn't have it in. They did have it in, they had it in some crazy like blue and luminous orange colour, which I wasn't really down for. So in the end, I saw what is in here. They've put it in a proper box actually. However, I wanted to get the Christmas packaging and I don't know why I didn't get it. The Christmas packaging this year, the Camellia has been half dipped in like a really pale gold. Quite wanted to see that. I got it home and I was like, oh, that's not fun. Opens up like this. This is actually one of the boxes that they put bags in. This is my first ever Chanel scarf. Haven't thought about getting one before, normally because they're either thousands of pounds and ridiculous, or that I've just never seen one that I liked. But I was actually looking at something else on the counter and this was there, and I was like, that's not bad. Let me put this on. So I thought this would be really nice over the top of a really simple, I've actually got a black, it's from Zara. I have a really simple black like blazer, but only it's more of a skirted kind of blazer, and it's quite warm for winter. So how am I going to do this? Let's make this look half decent. And I'm going to turn this bit on the front so that the logo, I'm going to have it like that. And I'll probably pull it up a bit more actually and have a bit more going on around here. I don't, in the winter, well, I don't really love wearing black, to be honest, because I don't know, actually I used to wear it all the time, and then when I watch myself back in videos, I feel that the contrast of black against my skin, like it really pulls me down, I think. Whereas when I wear light colours, particularly white, I feel like I look brighter and fresher. It's really interesting, isn't it, with colours and what they can do. Even though you might feel more confident in one, you put on another, and it's only really when you look back in pictures that you think, I didn't really love that colour, but actually it suits me. So yeah, that's the first item. I need to have like a play around with this and have this bit higher up, but you get the gist. This is 100% cashmere. It's got the label on it, which I'll probably take off so that it doesn't show. They had this in black and also in quite a light grey colour, which looked good as well. But again, I didn't get the black because of the reasons that I've said, but also when I wear grey, it drains me. This was £720. I know, crazy money. I was actually kind of surprised when I saw the price, because honestly, Chanel scarves are like over £1,000, like crazy money expensive. They did have another one there that I saw that was about £650, and although it looks quite thin here, actually the fabric was really like cozy and quite warm, and that had a double side to it. The other item is in here. The best things come in small packages. This is a pair of earrings. They are probably the smallest Chanel earrings that I own. I don't know how they're looking there, but these are actually kind of like an aged gold colour with tiny pearls included in them. A couple of things to mention on earrings. I bought a pair of Chanel earrings back when I went to Monte Carlo, and I wouldn't have normally done it, but they kind of like were, what's the word? They were kind of symbolic of the trip, I guess, because we were in Monte Carlo and they had like the dice on them and they were quite unique. Prior to that, I haven't actually bought Chanel earrings since 2015, at least early 2016. I just feel that I have enough of them, and the great thing is with Chanel earrings is obviously the design doesn't really change. I mean, you can get seasonal ones that are dangly and they've got all different sorts of things going on, but if you're more interested in the classic CCs, obviously that doesn't change. So I liked to get myself a couple of different options, some pearls, some crystals, some solid metal, and I really feel that they are quite a pretty way of bringing up an outfit. So for example, a friend of mine, she dresses exclusively from River Island, but you wouldn't know it. The way she carries herself, she'll wear a simple pair of Chanel earrings, she'll wear a Chanel wallet on a chain, really smart kind of Stuart Weitzman boots, and she's got her hair looking lovely. And she'll wear, the things that she might wear from there will be like a tweed jacket with a matching tweed skirt. And she always looks so immaculate and so put together. And it's really sweet the way the little designer accessories sort of add and complement. And also it's about keeping your things clean as well. You know, her boots always look really clean and really put together. They're just a good gift. But I wanted to talk about the price of them. In 2016, I mentioned that they were starting from, when I was in there, I think they started from around about 175 for something that was very plain. And they increase up from that price depending on the intricacy of the earrings. And from what I've seen, it doesn't even really depend on the size of them, because the ones I'm going to show you here, they're quite a bit bigger. They're quite statement earrings. These were around about £250 from memory in 2016. So it was like the spring summer collection. Might even have been the autumn winter collection. I can't actually remember. But you can see the difference here and the difference in prices. And it's actually got nothing to do with the size of the earring. It's very much to do with the intricacy of it. These were £280, and actually, do you know what? They never used to put the reference number on, but they've started doing it now, like the Chanel reference, because I know a lot of you say to me, what is it? Because I want to get them. So I think this is it. That number beginning with an A, I mean, you can take a screenshot of that, because actually if you want to get these and that's not the number, then you've still got other information there. But it's interesting to see that a lot of the earrings, they haven't gone up too much in price, which is unusual for Chanel, because I thought, when I was looking at them, I thought, oh, I bet they've gone up from 200 to probably about 300 or 400, but when I saw, they really didn't. If you are going to go and have a look, I think that they are a great introduction into the brand, because they aren't big money. You can wear them long term. They're so versatile. They just look classic and really pretty and really elegant. When you go in there, I know a lot of you say to me, I love luxury, I've never been into a store, I feel nervous. Please don't feel nervous. Most of the people that work in stores are absolutely lovely. And they're in the same position as us. You know, they're going to work and working for their money, and there's very few people that can just waltz in and be like, yeah, I have 10 of everything. And most people totally get it. And when I'm in there, I really don't care. I'm like, how much is it? You know, I've never met anyone that's been snooty about it. Most of the girls that I know in Chanel and Harrods, that they get it. So don't be worried about that. However, on the earrings, in the tray that they come in, if you turn over the earrings, the price is on the back, in Harrods at least, and in the other Chanel boutiques. So if you don't want to ask that question, then you can just do that and, you know, keep going until you find some that you like and that are in your price bracket. In case you are wondering, by the way, my jacket is from Pinko and I got it in September. Pinko's quite hard to find online, like their stuff sells out really quickly, so if it's not in the links below, that's why, but that's where it's from. And actually, you know, this is a style you can get in many different places. If you can't find it, it's got velvet details here. Just Google military style jacket and there's definitely going to be things that come up. That's the style of it at the bottom. Anyway, I thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.